Hi YouTube, it's Pete again. I'm gonna do a quick one take video on one of the mods I did today. Which is a limb rider. So as you can see, I got my hood wrap mount right here. I use this as my the mounting bracket for the limb rider. So on this end is DV8 mount for my light bar. So they have some problem with my light bar, so I sent back to Rigid. So I have this mount. So I'm using this mount for my limb rider. So this comes out pretty nice. Yeah. So I love to do those kind of mods. You know, it's something that no one has done before. So I really like it. Comes out. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Okay. Thanks. If you like the video, oh, by the way, if you like the video, please like, the video. If you have any questions, just ask me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. Thank you.